Hi, and thanks for joining me again on Make It Fun. I got the Disney's Cars display set up in front of the house and thought I would show you a video to let you see what it looks like after it's put up. Also, I couldn't help but add in a few tips as well. The first thing I thought I'd show you is the back side of the characters after I put them up in the yard. You'll notice on the larger pieces I put guy wires on them to give them a little bit more stability. We had our first windstorm come through over the weekend, and it blew over several of my pieces from other vignettes and snapped the guy wires right in half. So around my neck of the woods, the guy wires are very much a necessity to hold the pieces in place. Here's just a couple of pictures showing the back side, the guy wire connections that I make to the pieces, as well as the electrical conduit that I use to stake them into the ground. Another tip I wanted to give you is that every single one of my 30 or 40 electrical connections I put on a stake, a wooden stake, and keep it up off the ground. I've learned over the years that in doing this keeps my GFCI outlets from popping and shutting off all the lights during the display when it's raining outside. Okay, that's it for the tips. I'll just show you a few pictures of the display pieces that I've put out. I think I've got 6 vignettes that I put out this year, and show you pictures of those, and then a video of what's going on the house, and then a walkthrough from one end of the display to the other. Enjoy! Thanks for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what the finished product looked like. And if you would, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave those below, and I'll try to get back in touch with you just as soon as I can. Thanks!